In the name of Allah, I am Shabir Ahmad, son of Asadullah, and I am a student of Hijrat Model School. First of all, I want to present you the sweetest, greatest, and unforgettable gift of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, is called Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to talk about how to be successful. Nothing is free. If you want to be successful in your life, you should pay the price. Nothing is easy. If you want to be successful, you should do different. You should think different. If you want to be successful in your life, then tie it to a goal, not to the persons or things. Also, admit it, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Because when you fail, then you should get up, move on, and the thing that you must do, that's do something today for a better tomorrow. Also, do not compare yourself with others, because no one can play your role better than you. We make mistakes, we do wrong things, we say wrong things. And as I said, even we fail, but we should get up, move on, and work for our goal. At the end, I have a message for you all that never dream for success, but work for it.